Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jimmy, aka Savvy Crypto Investor. I promise this is going to be a short video. Honestly, this is my third time doing this because the first time I didn't record, the second time I totally messed up the audio. This time I promise it's going to be short and it's going to be good and it's going to be my last time. Okay, so I logged in today and I was super excited because I see Bitcoin is up to 7,700, which actually is very close to my prediction that it was going to be back up to 7,800 pretty quickly. Um, BitConnect Cash is up to almost 300. I'm super excited because there's been so much negative publicity recently about Bitcoin and BitConnect that um, it's been kind of frustrating because a lot of us can see the positive aspect of BitConnect and what it brings as a community to bring a lot of us to the platform, especially those of us who are helping to promote the platform. But then there's all this negativity and there's all these people spreading all this negative energy about the company. So last week people said that Bitcoin was going to disappear. Once it got down to 5,600, it was going to crash and it was going to get replaced by Bitcoin Cash. That did not happen. It's back up to 7,700, which is absolutely amazing. Then we have BitConnect, which there's claims out there that the United Kingdom have given them a 60-day ultimatum to prove that they're legitimate and prove some source of ability to make revenue and to prove they're not a Ponzi scheme. To be honest with you, I haven't seen any of this documentation, and I've been looking all over Google, and I'm really good about finding things. So I'm not going to say it doesn't exist, but what I would like to say is that I haven't seen any hard evidence that suggests that we should take that seriously yet. If it's true, I certainly hope that someone posts something so that we can validate it and we can move forward. Otherwise, I'm going to say take it with a grain of salt. And just because someone's harboring bad news or some negative energy doesn't mean that it's true. And likewise, just because we believe that this is a great, perfect system, but not perfect, just because we think it's a great system doesn't mean it's true either. So do your due diligence before you decide to jump on board. But the last thing I'm going to say is this. The system, BitConnect platform, has proven successful for lots of people already. And we're not talking about a couple people. We're talking about hundreds and thousands of people have made comments on our videos. Videos have been created to be able to share our experiences on this platform. There's a lot of positive responses and feedback for this platform. So just because one person posts an article and other people copy that article, and now there's a bunch of articles out there basically saying one thing, doesn't mean that it's true. So let's try to do more research and let's try to get down to the truth. Okay, that said, sorry, I wanted to get into the point. I'm super happy about Bitcoin. It's up to 7,700. I already said that. BitConnect is up to almost 300. It just rose $1 from the time I started this video. Very excited about that. It's a very good time to be involved with BitConnect. If you're not involved yet, now's a good time. We're starting to earn, a pretty decent interest rate on a daily basis. You can see that my balance is already back up to $7.76. As soon as that gets back up to 10, I'm going to drop that 10 back into my reinvestment account and lend it back to the system so I can start accumulating some more of that compound interest. If you remember, I created this investment calculator. If this is your first time, just know that I created an investment calculator. There's another video where I go into a little bit more detail on how this works, but you basically take a $100 investment and you accumulate the daily interest rate on it. I have one for estimate, which maintains the 6-month average of 0.96, or in this case 0.97 because it just changed. And over the course of time, it shows you if you reinvest the money in $10 increments when it's available over time, it generates a lot of money. So if we look at 365 days just as an example, you're looking at a $100 investment. Well, that's not accurate because I dropped these two in here, so let's not look at that. Let's look at mine. So this is a separate tab that I created so I can actually track the actual daily interest earned rather than the estimated 6-month average. And as you can see, today I'm going to earn $2.21, which is pretty close to being accurate. And then tomorrow it looks like we're going to earn 1.95% on our money, and I'm going to earn almost $9.17, and that's pretty close. If it's not 100% spot on, it's like 98% accurate. So just keep that in mind. That's the calculator that we use. There's some of us that have created our own. Some other people are sharing theirs. Mine is on Mac in the numbers software, so I certainly wouldn't be able to share it to everyone. But so let's go back to BitConnect real quick. The reason why I'm excited is because when I had checked out this volatility software interest page, I was very happy to see 1.95% for November 17th. So I'm looking forward to adding that into my account, getting up to $9 and that 17 cents in earned interest, and moving forward. Okay, so I think that with the general public around the world starting to realize what fiat currency is and what the central banking system is and how much control it really has over the money supply in each country, let alone the entire world, I think that a lot of people are starting to wake up to the realization that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, because of the fact that they're decentralized, means that there's a level of control that's going to be given back to the American public once we start adopting these new cryptocurrencies. And Bitcoin is at the very top of the chain. It was the standard, and it might still be the standard for some time to come. So if you haven't joined BitConnect, now's a good time to be involved. It doesn't require a huge investment. $100 is all you need to get started. You know, earn that 1% interest back off of it. $100 is a small investment. It's a small risk to high reward. You know, all I have to say is if you have more money to invest, that's up to you. I think that you should decide what you're willing to risk, and just keep in mind that, you know, BitConnect is a community and it's a platform. There's no guarantee that this is going to be around for 6 months or a year or 2 years or 10 years. And the same goes for the stocks in the stock market. You know, I mean, there is some stability in the stock market, but companies come and go bankrupt every single day, and there's no guarantee in the stock market any more than there's any guarantee in the BitConnect network. The truth is that the cryptocurrency market is still hugely unregulated, so that creates its own risk for us. But if you watch my videos, you'll see that I'm very adamant about finding out about these hype sites and early on, so I can do a video and I can expose them for what they are, which is fraudulent. I haven't found that with BitConnect yet, and I have no reason to believe that BitConnect is set up like that at this point in time. And I hope that stays that way. So like I said, if you haven't joined the BitConnect network community yet, please join. My link will be below. You know, I have a couple referrals so far. I'm very thankful for you if you've already signed up under me, and I look forward to having even more referrals signing up, as well as those people joining my team. And so, you know, maybe I can help you increase your wealth, even if it's starting with $100. Okay? If you have any questions, please post them below. I would love to answer them for you. If you simply just want to chat and communicate, please make a comment. Don't forget to like the video with a thumbs up. And last thing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button next to the subscribe button afterwards so that you can get notified the next time we do a video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.